Deep within a jet engine, directly in the Inferno, tiny components spin at hypersonic speeds, enduring temperatures that would melt steel. These are the turbine blades, the ultimate test of metallurgy and engineering. But how is a single blade forged to survive such an impossible environment? It all begins with superalloys, specialized blends of nickel, chromium, and other elements, engineered to maintain strength and resist creep at over 1,700 degrees Celsius. These ingots are first melted in a vacuum, ensuring purity, then precision cast to form initial blanks or preforms for each blade. Next comes the forging, a brutal dance of heat and immense pressure. The blanks are heated to extreme temperatures, often glowing cherry red, and then hammered or pressed by massive hydraulic presses. This process refines the grain structure of the metal, making it incredibly dense and resilient. Each stage carefully sculpts the complex aerodynamic shape, often involving multiple forging dies. Even after forging, the blade is far from finished. Precision 5-axis CNC machines mill the blade to micron tolerances, creating its exact aerodynamic profile. Critically, tiny, intricate internal cooling channels are also machined or cast. These channels allow cooler air to pass through, creating a protective barrier against the engine's intense heat, a marvel of unseen engineering. After an array of coatings for thermal protection and erosion resistance, each blade undergoes rigorous, non-destructive testing, from X-rays to fluorescent penetrance, to detect any microscopic flaw. Only perfect blades are allowed to operate in an environment where failure simply isn't an option, ensuring the safety and performance of the entire engine. From raw superalloy to a component enduring hellish conditions, the creation of a jet engine turbine blade is a triumph of advanced metallurgy and precision engineering. If you were awestruck by this unseen assembly, hit that subscribe button to explore more engineering marvels, and tell us in the comments, what other incredible process do you want to see unraveled next?